Hi, I'm Dan Murch, the owner of Blue Collar Back Office. Now, today, what we want to talk about is, if you haven't already, transitioning to doing online bookkeeping, specifically QuickBooks Online, moving away from doing everything manually, moving everything away from doing the old pen and paper general ledger or doing things in an Excel spreadsheet. We want to get everything online, specifically, again, QuickBooks Online. And today, we're going to talk about some of the benefits why. The main thing being, we want to increase your effectiveness, right? We want to increase your profits, reduce the amount of time it takes you to do your bookkeeping while minimizing mistakes, minimizing double entry, things like that. And that's where you can really take your company to the next level. And that's where QuickBooks Online can help you. Now, one of the biggest benefits of QuickBooks Online, in my opinion, is the bank feeds. So how it works is literally you connect your bank accounts, however many you have, you connect your credit cards, however many you have, you connect them in QuickBooks Online into the bank feed to your institution. And then every day, QuickBooks Online communicates with your bank and downloads any transaction that happens. So literally, not a penny will go in or out of your account or hit your credit card without it making its way into QuickBooks Online. That eliminates so much double entry, eliminates the possibility of something slipping through the cracks, and then at the end of the month or quarter, whenever you're reconciling your bank accounts, hopefully you're doing it monthly and your credit card statements monthly, all of a sudden it's the end of the month, you're trying to reconcile and something's not matching up and you're pouring through paperwork trying to find one missing transaction. With QuickBooks Online, you don't really have to worry. If it came out of your account or it went into your account, it came into QuickBooks. It came into the bank feed. And now you just have to tell it where to go. Where to go on the chart of account, if you're job costing, what job it gets associated to, things like that. Now, if you're doing proactive bookkeeping, which we highly recommend, and you're entering bills into the system, you're entering checks into the system, you're receiving payments, you're receiving, recording deposits, then what happens is when that transaction comes through into the bank feed, QuickBooks says, hey, this matches something that's already in the system. Do you want to match it up? And you say, sure. Yes, I do. So it just eliminates a lot of opportunity for things to slip through the cracks. Also, it's a lot quicker than manually entering everything into an Excel spreadsheet or manually writing everything down, because it's all automated, it's coming in for you, and you basically just have to point it in the right direction. So that's the one major key that I always sell everybody on. It's probably the major reason why we use QuickBooks Online, because it is the heartbeat of the program and it really allows you to run your company properly. Everything feeds off of that. If you're running your bank feed properly and you're allocating everything properly, everything else falls into the place, right? Even if you just want to do the basics, you just want to reconcile your accounts every month and you want to have a clean P&L and a clean balance sheet. If you're running your bank feeds properly, you can accomplish it. Now, if you want to get more advanced and you want to do purchase orders for your vendors and job costing and stuff like that, the program's got that too. And that's amazing. And that's awesome. And that's where you can get really granular and really take your company to the next level. But just for doing the basics, you want to run your company, do basic bookkeeping, it starts there in the bank feed and it works really, really well. The other great feature of QuickBooks Online is it's online, right? You can access it from anywhere. As long as you have your login and your password, you can get it from any computer that has internet access. As your bookkeeper, as for our clients, you invite us into your books and we can access your books. And it's like we're working in it in real time. So if you want to see how the company's doing, you want to see your P&L for last month, go on in, click the button. It's right there. You want to see your balance sheet? It's right there. It really cuts down on the amount of time that you need to spend waiting to get the information that you need to make better business decisions. So that's one of the reasons why we use it as well. And that's why we see such a big benefit. It really helps with our collaboration. We have clients literally all over the country because we don't have to be in your office. You don't have to hire somebody to come sit in your office and pay that overhead and things like that. It's just, we're there, we're communicating, we get the information back and forth, and it allows us to really strive and create great value for our clients. So if you have any questions, as always, reach out to us. This is the type of stuff we love talking to our potential clients and clients about. Ways to make your company more effective, ways to be more efficient. You can reach us through all the social medias, LinkedIn, Facebook. Feel free to go to our email, contact us through there. And as always, for anybody that's watching this that isn't a client and you have some questions, give us a call, reach out. Our first consultation is always free. Happy to answer any questions you have about your business, things that you're doing, free of charge. I'm happy. Put good out in the world, you get good back. That's one of our mottos here. So thank you for taking the time to watch this. Have yourselves a great day. Thank you.